Now this leads me to the Muslims of Southeast Asia, Muslims of Indonesia, China, Malaysia, Thailand, Vietnam, Cambodia, Burma. Now, the same pattern of penetration we described in China took place in Indonesia. Of course, there was no overland because you have to travel over water to get into those Indonesian and Malaysian region of the world. So the Arabs who came were mainly from Yemen and Syria. Now, those Arabs who came and settled, and today you still find in Aceh, in Indonesia, people who claim to be of Arab descent. From their names are different from the other Indonesians. They have pure Arab names. Hussein Alatas, Ibrahim Alatas, or Ibrahim Ahmad, Farooq Ahmad, just like Pakistanis and Indian Muslims who have Hassan, Abdullah. You'll find in Indonesia and Malaysia people who claim to be of Arab descent. I mentioned Anwar Ibrahim as an example, who is of Arab South Asian descent. I mean, you have many people like that. Even Mahathir is supposed to be from that kind of background, the president and the present prime minister of Malaysia. Now, one of the reasons why you have these people in Aceh, in Indonesia, who would like to break away from Indonesia, just like the East Timorese, is because of this whole background. Because they feel that the other Indonesians are not really, quote unquote, good Muslims. Because in Indonesia, you have two terms by which the Indonesian Muslims define themselves. You have the Santri and the Abangan. The Santri are those Muslims who are very Hanafi, strict Muslim type, or Safai, strict Muslim type. No nonsense. Islam is Islam. No any cultural baggage that you bring into it. No, Islam is Islam. We are Hanafi, we go this way. So, I mean, you have that kind of position. Or we are Shafi'i, we go this way. Now, the Abangan are very much like many of these African groups who have embraced Islam, but they have really still retained some of the old culture. And of course, those are the Abangan, you know, like the Abangan among the Indonesian Muslims.